Hi, this little video is going to be about using slides within the Google website application. And I like slides. Most of my lectures I do in Google Slides, and I share them off with other people, other lecturers through the Google system. And I make up whole loads of different scenarios about different materials, different construction techniques, different subjects. I've got hundreds of them. But what I thought would be interesting for the students here is that you could start to pull together some of your own little slide sets and put them onto your website. And it's dead easy to do. So again, going back to this one, we're doing all about paper. And what I thought I'd do, I just put something down the bottom here. Now, if you go over to the right-hand side and look for slides, then you'll see when you press it, all the slides that you've ever done. And as you can see, I've got a lot. Now you can view it in a different way. You can see what you've done earlier this week, and the titles become more apparent when you do it this way. I'll just take this one, sketching, that I've got here. If you press that, again, the same system comes up of insert. And if you press that, then the slide set itself will go into your website. Now, this is a direct link onto whatever you've got in your Google Drive. And the moment you update that, then whatever you've got here is also updated exactly the same time. It's very powerful. Now, what we've got there is the actual slide set inserted. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back up to here to the text box, and I'm going to put in here a little note about what this is. So this is a note, is a slide set I made to introduce sketching. And I can put a lot more down there. But the interesting thing is that if I click out and come back into it and then just make sure I've got that, I can bring the size of the text box in a little bit. And then I can go up here and wait for that to change so I've got that. And look what happens. I can move it up to the side of it. Now that would be related to that. And if you've got a whole series of them, you can do exactly the same all the way down. Even to the point where I could actually just make that a little bit smaller. And I can make that a little bit bigger, and you'll see that's updated itself. And I can bring that over so it's relating a little bit better to the actual slide set. And I can keep on doing that. What I can actually do is I can make a new page, and I can put up a new one down here, and I can call it slide set. And so let's make that better. I can make a new page called slide set. And it'll create it up and do it. There it goes. There's the new one. So slide set. And then I can go back into insert, and I can put in my slides there, and I can create a whole list down here of slide sets that I've made. So that's just a little intro into the use of slides and using them within your web page, which I think is a great way of showing some expertise in a particular subject. And it's very easy to update that slide set in your Google Drive, knowing full well that whatever you're doing now is going to go straight into the new one automatically. No need to go back in and think, oh, I've got to update it and do everything. As soon as you make the slide and make it change to that slide, it'll go into the new system on your web page. Okay, hope that's okay. Next one coming up soon.